Want to turn off age restriction on Steam so mature games stop being hidden? Here's the quick and easy way to do it. First, open Steam on your PC and make sure you're logged into the correct account. In the top left corner, click on Steam in the menu bar. From the drop-down, select Settings. A new window will open. On the left side, look for the Privacy or Family section, depending on your Steam version. Click on Family View or Family Settings to access the age restriction controls. In the Family View screen, look for the section that controls which content and features are restricted. Make sure options that limit access to games with adult or mature content are turned off or unchecked. If Family View is fully enabled, choose to turn it off by clicking the option to disable Family View. Enter your Family View PIN if Steam asks for it, then confirm you want to remove the restrictions. Finally, click OK or Save to apply your changes. You're done. Age restrictions are now off, and mature games should appear normally in your Steam store and library.